What's up YouTube? Montana Matt here. Instead of just shooting at targets again, we're hanging out. Instead of playing video games, watching TV, you know what I mean? We're shooting the bow here in Montana. That's what we do. So, plan is we're gonna hang out with our buddy Skelly right here, shoot an apple off his head. It's been done before. We're on board, trying to switch things up, and I think it makes for a much better video than target practice. So Skelly's involved. Skelly's decked out. He's wearing Gucci's. They've been chewed up by the dog though. We can get in there. Thanks, pup. They're legit. So he's flossing, and then we got him decked out in clothes. He's even wearing shoes. He's waving at you. Got some hunting gloves on. Let's do this, huh? Montana Matt, about ready to shoot an apple off of old Skelly's head at 15 yards. At least want the arrow to actually go cleanly through the apple and not just hit it. So here we go. Mathews Triax, apple off the head. We've already went through it. I'll take it. Well, here's the entry. Here's the exit. Still tastes like an apple.